Hi, my friends. This is Mrs. Alexander, and today, with this program, we'll use nested conditionals to control the flow of questions. Wanting to show that Jitterbug was harmless, Splash had it run through a simple dance they'd practiced together. Jitterbug had a bad case of stage fright, however, and would only dance when Splash was close by. So right now, we're going to quick go through our slides, and then we will run our program and discuss the features. So right now, let's quick discuss the features so we have a bigger version of them. So first feature is Splash follows the mouse. When Splash gets near Jitterbug, it starts jumping. Jitterbug's bubble follows it around. Jitterbug randomly switches dance moves. Challenge 1, don't let Jitterbug go off screen. Challenge 2, keep Splash on the ground. And then challenge 3, loop music while Jitterbug is dancing. So that makes a lot of sense. So I'm going to go ahead and go to our code. And over here on the side gives us the same description that we've been doing. So I'm going to go ahead and hit run the code and see what happens. I do not hear noise, but that's okay. Okay, you guys, here's our description. Here are the features, and here are the challenges we have. So first, we're going to click on Splash, and we're going to do every frame. So we're going to grab every frame, and we're going to set the center X and Y to follow the mouse. So that means I got to go to key and mouse. So center X is mouse X and center Y is mouse Y. Let's test this out. So she moves around with the mouse. That's kind of cool. Let's keep going. So create a new event. We have to go to project because we have Jitterbug. And we're doing create before program starts. So right here at timing, before program starts, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 variables. So I'm going to quick grab all 4 so that it's just here. So we're going to rename it. We have dance move, right speed, up speed. Now remember, if you go and type this out and it comes up, you can just quick click it. It works the same. And then we also have turn speed. Okay, let's go next. Every frame, timing again. Looks like, remember, whenever we're doing something new, we have to go to time. I just realized what I forgot. I forgot the connection to all this. So I'm going to go back, and I have to grab the math blocks. So I need 4 of them. 3 of them are zeros, and this first one is a 1. So I'm going to go ahead and grab all of them, because it's okay that I forgot. I realized I did, and I went back. So every frame, we're going to move me right, move me up, and turn me. So move me, turn me. And now we're going to do it by speeds. We have right and up. So I'm going to grab the variables and put 1 in each here, and then we will change what the variable is. So the first one says right speed. The next one says up speed. And the last one says turn speed. Okay, keep going. Take it one thing at a time. Add to every frame. If. So I'm going to go ahead and grab decisions and grab 2 ifs, because we need 2 of them. And this is less than, and this is equal to, and. So 1 is less than. Remember, less than, we start off with the 1 dot. And then the next one, I have the and. So I'm going to quick grab the and, but within it, I have equal to and less than and equal to. So equal to is this one. And then less than or equal to, again, I get the one that starts with a dot, but I also need the one with the equal sign. Okay, now we're going to go right here at the top. If my distance, so I'll go to motion and grab my distance to X. But we're going to change that to splashes. So I grabbed my center X and my center Y, and we're changing it to splashes dance. So we wanted to make right there. Remember, we're not creating a new splash dance. We just need to go pick it. It's down here. And it's going to be less than 200. That works. And if dance move, so look, I have a few reds. So I'm going to go ahead and get our variables. So it looks like I have 2 of them up here. And then 1, 2, 3 underneath. It's okay to quick get them all at one time. Dance move. And up speed. And then up speed. Right speed. Turn speed. And then point me. So I'm going to quick bounce back into motion to get the point me. And we're going to put a 0 there because that's what it says. Now we're going to go to math and grab the math blocks. I know I need one here to make this 1, and then grab these 3. Is it okay that I'm trying to get everything in one section? I think it is because I'm trying not to have to keep bouncing back and forth too much. Up speed is less than or equal to 0. So as long as I have all my pieces filled out and it matches, we can keep moving on. Add to every frame, modify inner conditional. So we got to modify this inner. So we're going to put in else if. Okay, if dance move. Okay, so this one I'm going to duplicate. And I'm putting it right here. Is greater than. So right here I'm going to say greater than. Okay. Is equal, and up speed is greater than 0. Set speed. So all 3 of these I'm going to quick duplicate because I need all of them. So I'll just move them all straight back down here. Because this is what we're doing, but this is a -50. So I'm going to put in the -50. And you could do it that way, or you could come right over here and grab the negative block. Either way. Okay, let's keep going. Add to every find, modify outer conditional. So we're going to do else in this one. Okay, so we need to set all of these. Okay, we can do this. So I'm going to go ahead and duplicate these that I know I have right here. Because it says I need all 4 of them. So I will just quick bring them down. And it looks like all of them are at 0. So I'll change this 50 to a 0. But I do have one more right here that I have to fix. And that's okay. I have the point me. I needed my center Y. So I'm going to go right here and grab set my center Y. And we're setting it to 380. Okay, here we go. Let's go test it. This is kind of cool. It works. Let's keep going, you guys. We're going to go the bubble helmet. Every frame. So again, we're back at our timing. And we're going to go to motion because we're setting my center X and my center Y. But we've got to grab the other center X and center Y because we're changing it to not my, but to Jitterbug. But again, I don't create Jitterbug, I grab it from the bottom. They already have it set up. So let's see what happens. The bubble moves with him. That's pretty cool. Let's keep going. Create a new event. We got to go back to Jitterbug. Every 2 seconds. I can do that. That's in timing. Every. And then right here we'll put 2. And it says set dance move. So we'll grab this. Set dance move. And we're going to do a random. Right here, random. And it says 1 to 3. I bet we're going to name them now. This is going to be fun. So else if, add to every frame, modify inner conditional. So we're going to do the else if again. And it looks like I'm going to duplicate everything, which is fine. Equal to 2. Oh. Okay, so I just need this. I don't need the and. So I took the and off. Dance move is equal to 2. Set right speed. Set turn speed. Set up speed. And then set my center Y. So I'm going to go ahead and duplicate this one right here. So I can bring it up. Okay, right speed, -50. Turn speed, 50. Up speed, 0. And Y to 380. That works. Add every frame, modify inner conditional. We get to do it one more time, else if. So grab another else if. I'm going to duplicate this one. And all we have to do is change the number to 3. And then duplicate all these again. I like it when we find little shortcuts so that it doesn't take as long. So now I'm just going to move all these down. I know I'm going to have to change my numbers, but right now I just want to get all 4 down and then we'll look at the numbers. So, okay, right speed says 50. So we need 50 here. Turn speed is -50. Up speed is 0 and center-wise 380. Let's go ahead and try this out. Look, he's danced. That's kind of cool. Yep, he's doing what he's supposed to. Let's keep going, you guys. Challenge 1. Add to every frame. Okay, our every frame is getting big. If my center X, okay, so we've got a new decision, is less than, but look, I have an else if. So I'm going to quick grab my else if, because I like to try to get everything done at once. Less than, remember as we were talking about, we have this sign. It starts off with 1 dot and goes to 2, so that's less than. And then we have greater than. So now I can grab the same one and it's a drop down and I can grab the greater than because it starts off with the 2 dots. So here we go. I need to go and grab my motion. So here is my center X and it's less than 170. We're going to set my center X to 170. Now the next one is my center X again is greater than 800. We're going to set my center X to 800. Let's test this out. This is getting a little fun. Okay. Let's keep going, you guys. We're going to go to splash. This is where we're going to keep her on the ground. So we're going to add to every frame if. Let's get our decisions. If mouse Y is greater than. Remember, we start off with the 2 dots. 325. And I need mouse. So I need to go key in mouse. And we're doing mouse Y. Let's see what happens. In every frame, move blocks, set my center Y inside the conditional. Okay, let's go back and look at that. If mouse Y is greater than 325, and it doesn't tell us what to do, and then it says, oops, in every frame, move blocks, so this block, move the block, set my center Y to mouse Y inside the conditional, and that's what I did. So let's go ahead and try it. Look, it won't go up any further. That's kind of cool. Okay, you guys, let's keep going. We're almost done. Challenge 3, splash dance. We get to start off at timing before program starts. We're going to set time play. So I'm going to grab the variable, and it looks like we have 2 variables, time playing and music. So I'm going to time playing, and then it says music. Okay, so right here I'm going to grab the off, but I have to get a 0. Here we go. Hit next. Create a new event after 0.1 seconds. So I'll go to timing after. And then right here, 0.1. We're going to do variables. And we're going to do time playing. But look, I have 2 time playing plus 0.1. So I need a math. And I forgot to grab a variable because I need one right there. So right here, I'll put my 0.1, and I could go back to variables, you guys. Miss Alexander forgot it, but that's okay because we can always go back. Time playing. There we go, you guys. This is getting exciting. Add to every frame if my distance to jitterbugs. So I get 2 if-thens because they have 1 here and then 1 right here, you guys. So quick grab our 2 if-thens, put 1 inside the other, and we have less than and the or. So I'm going to quick grab the or because I know with the or, I have equal to and greater than and the less than. So I'll grab the is equal to and put it in this right there. Less than, I'll grab that and put it right there because right here is the less than. And this number is 200. And this is equal to off or greater than. So I'm grabbing my greater than. We're putting 12.8. And we're going to go to variables. So I have music. And then I have time playing. Okay, so it looks like I have 2 more right here. So I'm going to quick grab these. And this is to on. This is music. And this is time playing. So let's keep going because we're filling all this in. So I'm going to go to math quickly because I need a 0 for this one. And then we'll go to motion because we need my distance. And we're going to do it to jitterbugs. So I've got to grab one of each of the other ones. And remember, it's a drop down. So we're going to grab jitterbug right here. Okay. And then we need the play sound waiting music. So I'm going to grab it, and it goes before all of these. Well, that wasn't that bad. I should start just doing it in order than bouncing around, because when you bounce, that's when you make mistakes. Okay, add to every frame, modify second outer conditional. So we're modifying and bringing in an else. Okay, stop all sounds. Set music. So I'm going to duplicate this. I'm going to bring it on over. And I can either take the off there or just quick right off. And now it says to test it. Let's go see what happens. So it only plays when Jitterbug's dancing, and that only plays when Splash is near. That's kind of cool. As you're doing this, take your time. Remember to have fun, make mistakes, and remember to smile, giggle, and wiggle. I'll talk to you later. Bye.